I'm going to disassemble and install compression plugs for rimless glasses while talking you through the steps. There are countless variations of rimless frames and lens mounts. This video specifically focuses on the common type that features horizontal dab holes. Provide 2 pairs of jaws, one for removing compression plugs, and another for install them. Look, this is the most common type with 8 holes. Align the tips of jaws so that they are opposite the metal panes on the temple. Then gently grip the pliers to push the metal panes out of the lens. Clean up the remaining compression plugs with a nail clipper, as they may be stuck on the metal panes. Or on the lens due to deformation. Before starting the installation, replace the jaws. Use a flathead screwdriver from the set to replace. These 3 are all commonly used sizes. The compression plug is a key component we need. Let's try different sizes of compression plugs and then choose a suitable one. Use the length of the metal panes on the temple as a reference and trim the excess. This is a key step to widen the holes. It's best to do this. Insert the metal panes from the glasses arm oval into the 2 holes. Press it down by hand so the arm is simply secured. Ensure the glasses arm oval and compression plug are fitted into the upper and lower grooves of the jaws. Grip the pliers. All done. Pay attention to the width of the oval or bridge on the glasses frame. It should be less than the width of the groove in the jaws. Look, using it in this incompatible state will damage the frame. The screwdriver included in the set comes with an additional replacement bit.